Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders and mysteries of our world's oceans. Today, we're diving the biggest waves ever recorded in the North Sea. This body of water, nestled between Great Britain, Scandinavia, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, and France, is notorious for its rough seas and tumultuous weather. The North Sea has a rich history of maritime trade, fishing, and exploration, but it's also a place where nature shows its raw power through massive waves. In this video, we're going to explore the most colossal waves ever documented in the North Sea, how they're caused, and the impact they've had on maritime history. So grab your life jackets and let's set sail. First, let's get a sense of the North Sea itself. It's a marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean, relatively shallow with an average depth of about 95 meters or 312 feet. Now, you might think a shallow sea wouldn't produce massive waves, but that's where you'd be wrong. The North Sea is uniquely positioned to create some of the most formidable waves due to its geographical location, prevailing winds, and frequent storms. It's almost like a perfect storm, pun intended, for wave creation. So, what exactly causes these gigantic waves? There are a few key factors at play. Firstly, the North Sea is surrounded by land, which means winds have a relatively short distance to travel before they hit the water. This limited fetch can actually concentrate the energy of the wind, making the waves steeper and more powerful. Secondly, the weather patterns in this region are particularly conducive to storms. The North Atlantic Oscillation, for instance, influences the intensity and path of storms that hit the North Sea. And let's not forget the infamous European winter storms, which can whip up the sea into a frenzy. One of the most significant factors, though, is the North Sea's shape and depth. The shallow waters can create a phenomenon known as wave shoaling, where waves slow down as they approach shallow areas, causing them to grow in height. Combine all these factors, and you have a recipe for some truly monstrous waves. Now, let's talk about some of the biggest waves ever recorded. One of the most famous incidents occurred on December 11, 2007. During a severe storm, a wave measuring 27.6 meters, or about 90 feet, was recorded by a Norwegian oil platform. Just imagine a 9-story building made of water towering over you. It's both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Another notable event happened in January 1995, when the Draupner oil platform off the coast of Norway recorded a wave measuring 25.6 meters, or around 84 feet. This wave became known as the Draupner wave, and it was one of the first instances of a rogue wave being confirmed by scientific instruments. Rogue waves, by the way, are unusually large, unexpected waves that can be extremely dangerous, even to large ships and offshore platforms. These giant waves are often the result of specific weather conditions. For example, the 2007 wave was caused by a combination of strong winds, high tides, and atmospheric pressure changes. Similarly, the Draupner wave occurred during a period of intense storm activity. These conditions are not rare in the North Sea, making it a hotspot for massive waves. You might be wondering how ships and oil platforms survive such massive waves. Modern engineering plays a big role here. Oil platforms, for example, are designed to withstand extreme conditions. They're anchored deep into the seabed and built with robust materials that can endure the harshest weather. Ships, on the other hand, are designed with stability in mind. Their hulls are constructed to cut through waves, and advanced weather forecasting helps them navigate around storms whenever possible. That said, the North Sea has claimed many ships and lives over the centuries. One of the most tragic incidents was the 1953 North Sea flood, caused by a combination of a high spring tide and a severe European windstorm. This disaster led to the deaths of over 2,500 people and caused widespread devastation in the Netherlands, the UK, and Belgium. The science of waves is fascinating. Waves are formed by the transfer of energy from the wind to the water. The size of a wave depends on 3 factors: the wind speed, the distance over which the wind blows, known as the fetch, and the duration the wind blows. In the North Sea, all 3 of these factors can align perfectly during a storm. creating gigantic waves. Technological advancements have also improved our ability to predict and measure these waves. Satellite technology, for example, can provide real-time data on wave heights across the ocean. Buoys equipped with sensors are another tool used to monitor wave activity. These technologies not only help in understanding wave dynamics, but also play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of maritime operations. Researchers have also developed sophisticated models to predict wave behavior. These models take into account various factors such as wind speed, direction, and sea temperature to forecast wave heights accurately. Such predictions are invaluable for maritime operations, helping to mitigate the risks posed by these giant waves. So, there you have it, the awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying world of the biggest waves in the North Sea. From the natural factors that contribute to their formation to the technological advancements that help us understand and survive them, the North Sea's waves are a testament to the power of nature. Whether you're a maritime enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or just someone who loves learning about our world, we hope you found this deep dive into the North Sea's waves as fascinating as we did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future explorations into the mysteries of our oceans. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.